Well, coming up now, it's Perry Bruce out of Duluth, Georgia, in that 1970 Corvette, 350 cubic inches, Michael.
His opponent, Todd Ruthroff, out of Altoona, Pennsylvania, a long way from home. He's in a 1985 Olds with a 307 for power.
I'll tell you what, the Chevrolet Corvette looks very tough. He is 1484 at 85 miles per hour.
Good race there, Dan. That brings up Daniel Lowe, Dan. He's over in the Ford Mustang on the Budweiser side, a 302 small block with a 5-speed.
Well, here on the Winston Lane, it's Perry Bruce in that 70 Chevy Corvette. 11 looks, watch this, man. I mean, he's grabbing gears all the way down. 4-speeder doing its job.
He's got a handful as he tries to take out the Mustang. You know, this is the old Chevy versus Ford battle, Dan, and look who wins.
Yes, the Chevrolet in the Winston Lane, 1384. Up against Michael Forte, 87 Ford Mustang LX Coupe, 302 cubic inches. He's got to take on Perry Bruce here in the Winston Lane inside of that 1970 Chevrolet Corvette, 350 cubic inches. You can see the vet with the advantage coming off the line as he starts grabbing gears. It's a 4-speeder up against the 5-speeder. It looks like the 4-speeder's got the advantage as Bruce stays all over that Corvette. Can he hold on? He does. 13:33 for the win. Winston Lane, it's Perry Bruce again in that 70 Chevrolet Corvette. By the way, Mike, this is a 4-speeder bet, and you can definitely see that he is trying to yank some gears right up out of the floorboard in this one.
Well, listen, he's getting demonized by George Eburst out of Chardon, Ohio, as the George Eburst version goes through, but he couldn't do it, Dan.
No, he couldn't. The vet wins at 13:13 on the run.
We've got our small block winner right here, and it's Perry Bruce in his 1974 speed Chevrolet Corvette. Perry, where are you from?
I'm from Duluth, Georgia.
Now, tell me about your weekend. What was your toughest opponent?
The toughest opponent was Dodge.
Were you surprised to be in the final and win?
Yes, yes.
Great weekend for you, Perry. Congratulations.
Thank you, thank you.